Collision.
For example, if you get into a fender bender or you're flying car stalls in the sky, it could be a lot more serious than having a head-on collision on the ground.
Iowa Home notified the state of the cancellation. A few weeks later, Osborne and St. George Craig were in an auto collision.
This volume is now completely filled with precision particle detectors that we use to detect what goes on inside a collision.
And so there was this real collision between who the world perceived me as in that moment and what was really happening in my life.
After a collision with a truck, the car's driver, Sergeant Lowell Russell, was unconscious and trapped inside the vehicle.
As Ruth said, it's been a journey that's about artist and audience. It's about collision.
I'd also finally come to terms with the fact that my two cultures didn't have to be on a collision course, but instead became a space where I found my own voice.
Collision.